So this is a table I put in earlier, voltage versus current, as given in the paper. If you select these two columns, and then you go to insert, and then you go to recommended charts, is what I'd recommend. It's a little bit faster. So this is one. Now I don't like the axis, but I'm going to insert the chart anyway. I would rather it was V versus I, and the reason for that is it comes back to the formula. The V is equal to I, or what you're looking for is OR. So OR is equal to V over I. The slope of the formula, is the change in the Y is over the change in the X's. Therefore, V has to be a Y, and I has to be an X. Should be an X. So this is it. Okay, so really I'd like the slope of this line. If I get the slope of this line, I should have resistance, because V over I is the resistance, or 1 over, in this case, the slope. So I'm going to find the slope. In order to do that, I type in this cell is equal to slope. The function for brackets tells me known y's. The y's are the x's. In you go, comma, the known x's. Select them, and I'm going to put a bracket on it. I think you can equals to it, and there we go. The resistance is 0.6. Thank God, that's very small. What's wrong there? Oh, the current here is in milliamps. Milliamps is not helpful for the calculation of ohms. We need to say the current in amps is equal to this number of amps, 0, divided by 1000. Well, that's going to be 0. Okay, for that, it's going to change all that. So that'll change the slope. Now the slope stays the same. Oh yes, because the slope is selected for the C's. We actually need to select for the D's. There we go. 34 ohms. Thanks. See you later.